Okay, so in that case, we're going to bend it over a little twice, or once, and then we'll have twice as much material for the staples to screw through, and I think that'll look even more natural. So sometimes you've got to put like 2 or 3 or 4 in one little spot at little slightly different angles, and that'll bite into it. We could use screws, but then you've got to cover the screw heads up, whereas these are really small, and it makes it no finishing to do. First panel job that I did was actually a pub back in Australia, and there was a panel that was about 18 feet long by 6 feet high, and we used about 30 of these panels and created the fronts of bars, we created a cave, we created all these absolutely cool things, and that was 24 years ago. Okay, so this particular panel and a bunch of the other ones, they're very three-dimensional. Okay, so we're discussing, again, how many people have put rock walls in their office. So what is right, what is wrong? We like it doing that. We can screw it all back tight if we want, and that's another option. I'm not sure it's the best option. I think in this case, if I do, there's a couple of spots where you can see the color of the wall behind it. So if we painted, say, a top 1 inch of that, a dark color that sort of matches this, and then if you push it and that becomes exposed, it would blend into the rockwork. I'm not going to bother with that. It's my office. I don't think it really matters. The only part that I'm going to show is this corner over here, which is much lower. I think we're just going to cut a piece of flexible panel. So when we staple this back, you can't see that there. So this is the last little thing that we've got to do. Delma, your knife and a bit of panel, please. So if we were starting from scratch, we could make the trim come out, say, a couple of inches in that case, because when we cut the panel, when Delma cut the panel, he cut it exactly straight in the formation it was. So lumps and bumps and whatnot. Okay, so if the timber came out a bit more and then you staple it on, the timber would hide the edge of that, and then it'd fit a lot better. But in this case, I don't want to do any more timber work. So I've just cut a little piece of panel here. I'm just going to come in here, feed that behind. Can I have the staple gun, Courtney, please? Okay, so now let's come and staple that on there, please. Yep. One above up here. Okay, wait. So I just stapled that flat one on there first so it doesn't move. Come and have a look what Courtney's made me do to my office.
Oh wow! Yeah, that looks great.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness! Now you need a computer.
I don't know how to turn it on.
Looks awesome. Way better.
Oh wow. That's cool.
That
looks
looks
really,
like
really good.
so freaking cool.
I like the lights.
I know.
So far, we've got Tale, my wife, who's voiced her opinion. In the beginning, she said rock the whole wall, 2 walls. Robert, who's been with me 15 years, that's what he wants too. Anyone else for that? Yeah? No, no. Dark, make that, stain that darker, and then cover that. Is that what we should do?
Yeah.
Okay, there you go. So, I think I really like my office now. I don't think I'm going to get a computer, but I really like my office. This is fantastic, actually. I don't know, it happens so quickly and makes such an impact on any room that I've ever put panels in. So I think we've all just had a bit of a discussion, and we think we're going to continue on with this wall as well. It is just simple, easy, and it looks amazing. So good on you for making that happen. Thanks, Delma.
Now you gotta keep your office clean.
Okay, fair enough.